It's your friendly math tutor, Miss C here, to unlock the magic of solving two-step equations. I like to start solving equations by clearly defining the two sides of the equation, and I do that by drawing a line right through the equal sign down. So we have a left side of the equation, and we have a right side of the equation. We are going to follow the order of operations backwards. So we're going to start by doing any addition and subtraction that we see. And I see that 7 is being subtracted, so I'm going to do its inverse operation, or the opposite of subtraction, which is adding. So I'm adding 7 to this side. What I do to one side, I have to do to the other side. If I do this right with an inverse operation and I'm dealing with addition and subtraction, I should get a 0, which is what I get there. What I have left on this side is 4x equals 13 plus 7. That equals 20. According to order of operations, my next step is to do multiplication and division, and I see that I have multiplication. So I want to unmultiply 4 by x. The opposite or the inverse of multiplication is division. So I'm going to divide 4x by 4. What I do to one side of an equation, I do to the other side of the equation. As a quick check, I should be getting a 1 when I do my inverse operation for multiplication or division. 4 divided by 4 is in fact 1. That leaves me with 1 times x, which is x. 20 divided by 4 is 5. So x equals 5. Shall we do a quick check to make sure that this is correct? Because we always like to check our work. Everywhere I see x in my original equation, I'm going to put in 5. And when I do that, I should get 13 out. So 4 times 5 is 20. 20 minus 7, okay, is 13. So 13 equals 13. Check. My answer is correct. Thanks for taking the time to solve two-step equations with me.